Hey guys, so today's video is going to be how to mine Sumokoin. So Sumokoin is based off of the Cryptonight Heavy algorithm. So you'll have to get an updated miner. But in this video, I'll be using the Xmr Stack version 2.4.3 to both CPU mine and GPU mine this coin. So my processor is a Ryzen 1600. And I have a Vega and an RX 580. So first of all, we're going to go to the Sumokoin website, sumocoin.org, and then scroll down and download your wallet for whatever operating system you have. I've already downloaded it for Windows. So it's like any other standard coin that you guys have been mining. And so next, we're going to go and download Xmr Stack 2.4.3. Trying to see if I have a link for it up here. So I'll be using this miner. So as you can see, it supports the Cryptonight Heavy coins. Doesn't say Sumokoin here, but you'll be able to use it. So after you download that, you'll get a folder with this without the CPU and without the config and pools. So you're going to double click on Xmr Stack, and then you'll be prompted with this screen here. This is the text file that it saves to. So you're going to type in the Sumokoin, and then you'll be prompted for your pool address. So I just googled a whole bunch of Sumokoin pools here. Sorry. So I'm going to be using Sumokoin hash vault. It seems to have a low fee of 1%, 0.9%, sorry, so that's good, and a decent pool hash rate. So a lot of these websites will have step-by-step configuration files, but I'll just show you quickly. So after you have your wallet address and you have your pool, you're going to find a port you want to mine on. So depending on your rig setup, if you want SSL or not, you will pick the right port. You'll take the server in the port, and then you'll be prompted, you'll be putting it into the pool address there. Then you'll be prompted for your wallet address, here. And the rig ID for Xmr Stack is not required. The pool password will identify each one of your miners, I guess. So if you have two different cards, you can see each one individually. We won't be using NiceHash, and depending what port you use, you can use a TLS SSL port, and then add how much. If you want to add a second port, a second mining server, you'll be able to, and then you can adjust. Change the weight of each pool you want to mine with. But I'm just going to use the one pool for this video. So I've already done all this. So after you run this, Xmr Stack will start to mine. Not that. In here, you'll see that you're connected to the pool, and then you'll see that you're mining a new block. Now with Xmr Stack, you don't need to indicate it's Cryptonight Heavy with the version I'm showing you with. So then if you want, there's two different options. You can see if you want to mine with your CPU or with no CPU, you can click on this. So it just runs a batch file, basically saying not to use the CPU. But if you just want to mine with your CPU, there should be, this isn't the one. I have to go here. I know it's for heaven, but it's 1 second. So if you just want to mine, with your CPU, there'll be two extra files that aren't in my folder here. one for nvidia cards and another one for OpenCL, and that's for AMD cards. So I deleted this one for this example, and so it will not run the OpenCL for my Vega. So it will just be mining with my CPU. So then once you start mining for a bit, after about 10 or 15 minutes, you can come back here to the pool dashboard, and you'll be able to enter it in your wallet down below, and you'll see like your hash rate and how many blocks you've submitted and how much your balance is pending. So that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, please comment and I'll try and help you out. Please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks.